long, and it is very chilly for a spring day. Classy, you know we be outside with it. oldest daughter is looking for a pair of clear shoes for tomorrow for her photo shoot, and we can't find them. I am dressed, getting ready to go on a date night with some friends and my husband. So it's a couple's night. We're gonna go and see Cat Williams, his comedy show tonight, and I'm getting ready to charge up my camera and maybe my phone and probably get a snack. Let me show you what my favorite snack has been. It's these freeze-dried mango slices. Oh my gosh, they are so good. So this is the big pack. This is a 3-ounce bag from Target. There's 3 servings per container, and each serving is 100 calories. So this bag is a 300 calorie snack, and I can tell you that I can eat these in one day. And for them to be as pricey as they are, well, pricey to me, this bag was like $7 and something, but so good, so good. So I think I'm going to open up a bag, eat a little bit of that. We are going to go to dinner, but I don't want to be starving because I don't know how long the wait is going to be. And I need to show you my outfit. So let me see if I can do that now. So earrings, I have these large, it's a 1-piece earring, but it has the 3 hoops. I like these. I wanted something a little large and showy. For necklace, I have my Julie Voss link necklace right here. I have a small gold herringbone necklace right there, and I bust out the diamonds for tonight. This jacket, oh, is so fun with the feathers at the end of the sleeves, and I have on some more Julie Voss. The gold pieces are Julie Voss. There's a little piece in there that you can't see. It is my permanent jewelry, and then the black pieces are Lagos. And on this wrist, I'm doing this with one hand because I don't have you up on a tripod. Let's see if I can make it better. My Apple Watch and just a little gold stretchy bracelet right there. I don't know where that came from. So black blazer, it's a little chilly out. I have this cami, a black and gold cami. I wanted to initially wear a white tee, but I don't have one. And here are my, let me turn this camera. And I have on just some jeans that has a little rip. Here are my shoes. It's a nice size heel on me. they don't work. I'm going to take my Golden Goose sneakers with me. I'm going to try these out at dinner. And if I don't last through dinner with the heels, I'm just going to switch into my sneakers. Because at the venue, we really do have to walk upstairs. And I'm not trying to need a wheelchair to climb stairs and walk an arena. So that is my outfit from a weird angle. I don't know why the V was not centered. But yeah, that's my outfit. She's not a Starbucks girl. She's a Dunkin' girl. And I should not have gotten like a Route 44 coffee. We just finished my oldest senior photo shoot, and we're trying a place called Two Hands, and it's a corn dog spot. And of course, watching YouTube, we have seen the corn dogs with the mozzarella cheese, the hot Cheeto dust. So this place specializes in all kinds of corn dogs. And way back when, a long time ago, I would eat corn dogs with the mozzarella stick in it in a mall when my town had a mall, and it was so good, and we would dip it in ranch. So this place has it. I think some fairs may have them. So I was really excited about coming here to try it. I really want to try the hot Cheeto dust, but I don't want to spoil all of my dinner appetite trying something that I may not like. So I am going to show you what I got, and I'll show you what my girl got. Of course, they're playing music, and I don't want to copyright, so talk to you in a little bit. Corn dogs as a snack, and the girls and my husband want Chipotle, so that's what we are getting ready to do right now, is to pick up Chipotle. I want Chipotle, but I don't want the great big bowl, So I guess what I'm saying is I need for Chipotle to create a kid-size bowl versus the large bowl. So let me go order our food. Bowl.
I'll go a little bit on the mild and then a little bit more medium than mild.
I'll see you. It is now the end of the day on Sunday. My kids go back to school tomorrow and from spring break, and we have come home. We have eaten our Chipotle bowls, and now we're getting ready for this week. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so very much. I appreciate you, and until the next video, have a great day. But hold on. Go ahead, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button. Talk to you soon. Bye.